I am here in the southwest side of Las Vegas, and today I am standing in a beautiful 2-story floor plan, over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, including a NextGen suite. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's going on everyone? So today is August 18, 2025, and today we're here at the Henry by Lennar here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a great location. We're here right off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond. So for you guys that are not familiar, Southwest area is really popular. On Rainbow, you have plenty of restaurants, plenty of stores close by, along with Blue Diamond as well. So, you know, you do have a Target and EOS and many different restaurants. But the great thing about the Southwest area is how convenient it is to get to the Las Vegas airport and strip. You're close to the 15 or the 215, so it's easily accessible. So once you get on the freeway, you get to the strip, the airport in about 10 minutes. We're here at the Henry. I'm gonna have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans, okay? They offer 2 single-story floor plans, the Eleanor and the Williams, along with 2-story floor plans, which is the Liberty, Paul, and the Justin, okay? Now these homes, you're looking at about 3,500 square feet, all the way up to about 42, close to 4,300 square feet homes, okay? So pretty large homes. A lot of these homes are gonna have NextGen suites in them as well. So if you're not familiar with a NextGen suite, it's great. It's a separate living area that's inside the house. So it's great for multi-generational living, as well as, you know, if you have like family, distant family that wants to live with you, okay? When it comes to pricing, I mean, the base prices are going to range from about $884,990 $990 all the way up to about $1124,990 $990. Now, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that doesn't include like the upgrades and the lot premiums. So, you know, here at Lennar, for many of these homes, like the quick move-ins, you're looking at about $996 to about 1.2, just over 1.2 million. Okay. Now, Lennar usually makes spec homes. So when I say spec homes, that just means quick move-in homes. They pick out all the options. These homes are they're either ready now or they're ready within the next few months. Now, if you want to go with an option like that, you are going to get the best deal because the builders are more motivated to sell these homes. But if you want to pick some of your options out, look at a home that closes in about like 5 or 6 months out. So that way you could still pick cabinets, flooring, countertop, backsplash, and maybe like a structural upgrade or 2, okay? But you have to get in pretty, again, like 5 to 6 months out. HOA here is going to be about $103 a month. Yes, it is gated. So that's pretty much like all that includes the neighborhood maintenance as well as the gate. Now, as far as the lot square footage, it really ranges here in this community, but they do have some lots here that are pretty large, okay? So, but yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Justin floor plan. Now, the Justin floor plan is gonna be the largest of the 2-story floor plans. This is 4,270 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage, 2-story. Now, the base price is going for $1,124,990, but they do have some quick move-ins, some move-in ready homes that are going to be priced just above the 1.2 million. Okay, now again, if it is quick move-in or move-in ready home, you're going to get the best deal on those ones, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a tour. So again, this is a NextGen suite. Okay, as you can see right over here, you're going to have a little path. Yeah, you could access your NextGen suite from the side, okay? Now the desert landscaping is gonna be included, the paver driveway. except for the backyard. The backyard you have to landscape on your own. HOA typically gives you about 6 months to a year. All right, so you got these nice double doors. So welcome in, everybody. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. Okay, so here you also have first floor, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings. And then upstairs, I believe you'll have 9-foot ceilings, okay? Now to the right, you're gonna have the stairs. You have 2 landing steps before you get to the second floor. Now let's look over here. Okay, so looks like you have some storage space right here. Oh wow, okay, it goes pretty deep. Now to the left, you're gonna have your NextGen suite. So we'll tour that in just a minute. So welcome to your main living area. Okay, so you got your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room. So it's very open. Nice slider right there. Okay, and the slider does stack too, so you can push it all the way to the right. So it looks like you got your 2 windows over there as well. So welcome to the kitchen. Now guys, I'll go ahead and point out some upgrades that I see in the house. So right now, if you want to do this waterfall island, that is definitely an upgrade, as well as hard flooring all throughout. Okay, standard flooring is carpet, but usually when Lennar makes spec homes, they are going to put hard flooring pretty much all throughout the first floor, except for the bedrooms. Okay, now the appliances, you have the monogram kitchen appliance. These are included. So all right, nice refrigerator. So welcome to your pantry. Okay, pretty decent sized pantry. Okay, definitely have room up top, as you can see. Now the backsplash is upgraded as well. Okay, along with the quartz. Okay, you got the white cabinets, that is standard. This is what you could expect for the kitchen sink. So you'll have the stainless steel undermount sink, the faucet. Now guys, when you're buying a Lennar house, okay, let's say you're buying it months before it's completed, and you do have, and you get in soon enough so you could actually pick out your options. I'm guessing it'd have to be at least like 5 months before it's completed. You could pick out a few things. You could pick out like the cabinets, the flooring. You could also do the cabinets, the flooring, the countertop, as well as the backsplash. Okay. And this floor plan offers a structural upgrade. You could definitely do that. I'll show you guys in just a moment. Okay, we'll go ahead. Well, actually, I'm not too sure if this... Okay, so I can't get into the backyard. Really large size lots here, guys. So I know what you're looking at right about here. There are lots that are larger than this as well. So if you're looking, again, in the Southwest area, you're looking for a NextGen suite, a large single-story home or 2-story home with a large lot, this is a great option. Okay. Now, so we have some nice, it's like a nice wall texture, flat corner edge. Okay, corner edging. So we'll go ahead and check out the NextGen suite. So this is going to be the powder room. This is going to be the room that the guests use. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with what a NextGen suite is like a separate living area inside the same house. Okay, so this is great for multi-generational living. If you have like a distant family that lives with you, you're gonna give them their own space. Okay, so that way, they have more privacy. The only reason why they would need to leave the NextGen suite, to be honest with you, is if they want to cook and use a stove, because the NextGen suite has it all. So you're gonna have this door right here. So whoever's staying over here is going to have their own sink. I think this is a microwave oven. You'll have your refrigerator. So you're gonna have a half kitchen, okay? Now they're gonna have their own living room area right here. Okay, 3/4 bath. This countertop for the bathrooms, you can expect this in all the spec homes. It's gonna be like this, this material along with the undermount sink and the faucet, okay? None of those, you can't pick out any of those options. Those are already what's gonna be included with Lennar. Stacked washer and dryer. Okay, so the person living in this NextGen suite, they don't have to use a laundry room upstairs. And then this is gonna be their bedroom. So really good sized bedroom. Okay, they do have this window. Here, we'll check out this, the NextGen suite walk-in closet. Pretty decent size. Cool. Now, if you guys are watching this video and you know you're interested in new construction, a new construction home, and you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor already, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Guys, just don't go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the new build agent is going to log you in their system as having no representation. And you definitely want representation, because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, okay? Okay, so quick guys, this door right here, accesses the outside, which you can actually, it could go outside and then you could go to the front of the house. And I believe this door is the door to the garage, but it is locked. Okay, I know some of you guys want to see the garage, but usually it is locked. So I think this is where they put the microwave. Okay, so this is the oven actually. No, I'm sorry. This is I think there's a microwave oven here. So this is another door to the garage, but it is locked. All right, we'll head up to the second floor. But yeah, guys, definitely make sure you guys get representation, okay? Now, I know a lot of buyers too, sometimes they're hesitant to reach out to Realtor because, they think they have to pay for buyer agent fees. I'm telling you guys right now, you don't have to worry about that. Especially if you give me a call. I've never had to charge any of my buyers for compensation. I always get it on the builder's end, or if it's resale homes, I get it on the seller's end as well. By the way, most of the spec homes, so this model house is going to have hard flooring on the stairs and all throughout upstairs. But I think the spec homes, it's pretty much going to be carpet. If you want to add the hard flooring all throughout, then you would have to get a lot that's way months before completion. Right over here is going to be the primary bedroom, but we'll start off in the loft and look at the other bedrooms here. So this is the loft. Nice little hangout area right here. So you can fit a really large size couch here. Okay, so this option right here, this is kind of cool, right? It has like a sink. It's like a little bar area. Now, this is an option, guys, okay? If you want to do something like this. Otherwise, you just have like more space right here. Okay, so it looks like we got a bedroom right there. Right over here. Full bath that I'll get into in just a second. So let's check out this room all the way back here. So this is going to be one of the guest bedrooms. Okay. So that's a full-size bed, pretty spacious. Good size walk-in closet as well. Okay, so yeah, this bedroom has its own bath. You got your own single sink. Okay. Shower tub, fiberglass. Okay, remember, no bathroom, you can't modify the bathroom configurations. Like what you see is what you get when it comes to that aspect. Okay, so I guess this is a Jack and Jill right here. So it's gonna share, the toilet and the tub is shared between both bedrooms, but each bedroom has its own sink. Okay, so this is the walk-in closet, the sink right here. This is the other bedroom. Okay. Now this is a full bath. Okay, shower tub. And then you also have a thermostat upstairs and downstairs as well, so you can control the temperature on each floor. All right. So welcome to this bedroom. Okay, so I guess that full bath in the hallway is going to be for this bedroom. And guys, you could always expect to have like this light right over here. You could switch that out for a ceiling fan light. Cool. And then we'll go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. Okay. So right over here. Okay. Oh, nice size linen closet. Okay, so this is going to be your laundry room. Okay, looks like the cabinets up there are optional. Nice, it does have a sink. Cool. And then looks like the washer and dryer. Washer and dryer is optional, but guys, if you're interested, you know, let me know. We could definitely, adding those is not that difficult. So this is a smart panel box. This is where you connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is going to come with 4 can lights. Okay, and it looks like it has a pre-wire for the ceiling fan as well. Guys, also too, blinds are usually not included, but you know, again, you know, get with me. You know, I'll contact my Lennar guy and we'll make sure that's added on there for you. Okay, so we got a tub, a walk-in shower. Okay, I believe this tile surround is an upgrade. Okay, beautiful tile. Nice flooring here. Okay, so you have your space for your linens. You have your toilet room right here. And your walk-in closet. All right, I think, yeah guys, that wraps it up for the Justin floor plan. Let me know what you think about this Justin NextGen Suite floor plan. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Curious to know the incentives, let me know. My info is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.